guys, I'm over here today. We're playing Donkey Kong Country, and it looks like Donkey Kong's being chased by a shark. Ugh. Adventure, bonus, print, options, print. Well, we're going with adventure. Save one because it's the only save. So, Kongu Jungle. And guys, sorry that I haven't been uploading for a while. It's been spring break and I've just been, you know, relaxing. So let's get started on level 1. How do I jump? Oh. Well, wait, where's my bananas? My bananas. Wait, how do I jump? Wait, how do I jump? Oh, okay, it's D. And rolling is S. Oh crap, what is that thing? I see a K. Okay, I guess that was important. Ooh, bananas. I mean a big... Whoa, what the heck is that thing? Don't touch me. Whoa, I'm on a tree. Wait, there's something up there. Donkey Kong, if you're willing to do all this just for your bananas, then you, my good man, are cray. Oh, what's that noise? Oh! It switched. Hey, stop throwing crap at me. Seriously, that looks like little turds. He threw turds at me. Gross, boy. I'm a rhino. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Ooh, I found somewhere. Get wrecked, bananas. Get wrecked. The balloon thing. Oh, it's a life. Oh, what the heck? There was another letter. I want it. Kong. Ooh. Ooh, CA, 6 lives. Ew, big fatty. Oop. What about back here? There's a green banana right there. Why don't you just take one of those? I guess that would... Oh no, that has a green face on it. Really? An armadillo killed me? Wait, what? Ow. Dude, stop hitting me, you poops. Also, why did that one thing throw poops at me? I mean, it's just weird. Wait, did that say TNT? Oh my goodness, it says TNT. Come on, armadillos! First a bird threw poop at me, and now you're rolling on me to death. This game is much harder than it needs to be. But I could play this for hours, I have to admit. It is so fun. Okay. Will you stop getting hit by armadillos? My goodness. This video is just going to be a whole rage session. Ooh, I got a life. Thank you for giving me that life because I was about to die. I hate these armadillos. They're like, this is only level 2. They're already murdering me. Please don't kill me. Haha. Donkey Kong, don't get off. No. Let's pause. There we go. No. Oh my goodness! I hate you, armadillo. You know what? I used to like armadillos. Now I don't anymore. No. Why do these armadillos want to kill me so much? What did I do to them? Did I steal their bananas? Get wrecked. Hut! Get dunked on. I came in like a Donkey Kong! I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I couldn't resist. But Miley Cyrus is just so terrible. I have to say I'm sorry. That's weird, I guess. Throw TNT at him. Hoi. Hoi. Yeah, we beast moding. This little whatever. No, no, no! No, 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 no! 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 No, 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 no! An armadillo did not just murder me. Why did you just murder me, armadillo? Ooh, now there's a new title. I'm mad at you, armadillo. Stupid armadillo thinks he can kill me every 5 seconds. Well, nope. I kill him. Banana. Banana power. Oh, cool. You can take that, boy. Get wrecked. Nope. Nope. I'm gonna be stuck on this one level for like years and years to come. Ah! No, I will get this dynamite and blow you up. Here, save this for the next armadillo you come. See that face that Donkey Kong has? He did not give you a heart. He did not think you're awesome. This is not a heart symbol. This is a I hate you armadillo symbol. If I can't do this in the next in this try or in another one, I'm quitting. Like I'm rage quitting. Yep, I just threw a barrel at someone. Don't judge me. He was a butt anyway. Don't say I'm a bad person for killing wildlife. They're evil, I think. I'm pretty sure. Please give me special power. No special power? No, 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 no. You are not touching this. Come on, Donkey Kong. Be better than them. No, 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 no. Armadillo. Haha. I swear, if you would. Yeah, rampage. Rampage. That's for sure. You know what? I don't like you, Donkey Kong. You're a butt. You keep dying. Armadillos hate you. Other weird lizard-looking things hate you. I hate you. Goodbye.